And let's say you don't want to become an artist. You are a teacher or you are a skilled trainer, right? I made someone's life easier. I have trained many people, right? So if you have that skill, and there is another niche for you, right? So based on your skills and your passion, we have opportunities. Like if you are a designer and we have an opportunity for you, if you wanted to become an entrepreneur, maybe we can name it as solopreneurs or online entrepreneurs. So we can start the journey by Etsy. Or maybe if you are a teacher or if you are a trainer, you have the skill to teach somebody else, and then you can start selling your courses in different kinds of platforms. I have just taken one example, like in Udemy. In Udemy, we can sell our courses, right? Let's say you are an expert in PowerPoint, right? Just PowerPoint or Word or Excel or whatever the training. Maybe if you are a homemaker, you know how to make cakes, right? You know how to make a tasteful recipe or how to make some kinds of biryanis, right? So if you are having different skills, you can sell that. You don't have to be showing your face to the people, right? Maybe you can start selling your course without showing your face. Without showing your face, yes. So that is what the Camtasia will become, right? So this is Camtasia, right? Where we can record our videos, edit our videos, and publish high quality and professional videos in course selling platforms like Etsy, Skillshare, Coursera, etc. Right? So Camtasia, I will show it to you. What is Camtasia, right? So here, this is the platform of Camtasia, right? Where we can easily drag and drop our videos, or maybe we can simply click record, and then the recording of your screen will be appearing like this, right? So that, let's say you are an expert, how you can explain Word in a way that no one can do, right? Maybe you can do that, right? So maybe you can start with here, and then you can start with the basics, right? Like what is file, what is home, insert, like you explain each and every element in Word or maybe in PowerPoint. Like you can record your screen and you can talk in front of your screen and record high quality professional videos. After you have created those kinds of videos, and then you can dive into the Udemy platform and sell your courses, right? Maybe as a sample, this is one account. This is one of my account in Udemy. So then I will show it to you, my right. So this is my revenue report. So I have just published my courses. I have, I think, 6 or 7 courses in this account. So then I have created the courses. I have recorded the courses and uploaded them in the Udemy platform. That's it, right? So then Udemy, what Udemy will do is they will market. If your course is good, if your course is excellent, they will do the marketing work for you. You don't have to do the marketing. They will do the marketing. They will put your courses in their first page, and then they will market your courses in different kinds of social medias and platforms, etc. But you should be creating high quality content. Don't think like when you are sleeping, you can earn money. We have to work harder in order to get the money. But how we have to work harder? That is what we have to think about. We have to think, you have to work smarter and harder. In a way, if you are spending time, maybe for you, let's say you are doing a packaging work, you earn $100 per month, per hour, you are earning $100, right? So then which skill you will be getting? That is what we need to think about. And let's say, consider like this, you are creating your course for an hour, right? And then you are airing it, like you are going live by selling that course. right? So then whenever the course sells, and then you will be getting money, right? So then that's what we call it as passive income, right? So we have to think on that way, right? For that, if you wanted to sell more, we can't just simply create normal courses and just record the videos and sell it. No, don't expect like that. They will block you. Maybe they will put your courses at the end. There are tons and tons of courses already in the Udemy. So we have to be professional and high quality. Our courses should be high quality. At Exceliya, we will be explaining you how you can create exactly those kinds of high quality videos, how you can become a professional, right? So we'll guide you how you can create an account, how you can sell it, how you can do the marketing work, like SEO, how you will be making SEO, how you can rank your course #1 in Udemy. We will guide you on that way. So that if you enroll and learn our course, you will be making these kinds of stuffs, right? Maybe on tomorrow also you can start creating your account and doing it, but we will guide you the proper way, how you can exactly go and align with the path, right? How you can align and how you can compete with the top-rated Udemy instructors, right? So we will guide you. That is why we need to use that platform. This is another platform. I have also created. I have 5 courses. I have posted them in Udemy, and also the same courses are posted on Skillshare as well. So then I have another tree. I have planted another tree, right? So I have planted one tree on Udemy, and I have planted another tree on Skillshare, right? So, but I have only 5 courses. So then what will happen is whenever the tree grows, I will get the money, right? Whenever the person enrolls, I will get the money. So like this is how it works. So why can't you, right? Each and everyone is different in different kinds of skills. Some people might like having the skills in public speaking. Some people is good in language teaching. Some people is good at tech. Some people is good at AI and related things, right? So we can also sell what do you know, right, to the people, right? So that is the overall view of that one. And here, this is what we are providing at Exceliya, Canva plus Camtasia course. This is a 2.5 month of course, right? So we will dive deep into what is Canva, what are the things we can make, what is Canva, what are the elements we will be making, right? Video editing, presentation making, etc., etc. And also maybe we will provide you an idea or a niche so that you can click, like we'll provide you how you can exactly create an ebook. If you guide it, how you can exactly create a children ebooks, right? Those are highly demanded items in Etsy as well. You can go to the Etsy and go to the children coloring book, right? If you go to the children coloring book, there are different kinds of coloring books. Already they have created, this is a bestseller item, right? It is sold more than 396 orders he had, and he's selling for $5.74. Like this is a niche. You can create just only ebooks and sell it on Etsy. So these are the ways, right? And we will explain you step by step how you can exactly create an account, how you can post it, what are the listing tricks you can make, how you can rank on Etsy, what are the tools we will be using. All those things will be discussed. Maybe as a part-time, when you are having a free time, right, you can do these kinds of activities, right? So that is why we are targeting this course. And this is also that course, earn money while you sleep, right? So you just record the videos and put it in Udemy or Skillshare or other personal, or maybe you can start your own personal branding. Let's say you don't want it to be a part of Udemy or Skillshare. You can create your own website, like your own Muhammad.com, like Ahmed.com. So on your name, you can create your website, and then you can start selling your own courses, right? So on there, so then you can shine with your own brand, like your entrepreneurial journey starts here. So this is the course. If you are really interested in joining this course and you wanted to start your journey, I have already mentioned you, don't start it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next year. Just start it right now. We will be having at least spending 1 hour per day or maybe 4 hours per week, which will provide you the passive income, right? You work once and then the money is following you back to back. So that is the thing. If you are interested, so I have the guidance for you. So you can go to our website like exceliya.com, and then you can go to our courses page, and here you can scroll down, and then here you have the course, right? Ultimate design and video editing, Canva plus Camtasia. You can click learn more, and then you can come down here and you can notice that this is our 30 hours course. There will be 1.5 hour sessions. So then you will be having 20 sessions, right? So the course will be completed in 2.5 months. It will be taught in English, and we are charging usually this much amount of money, but we are providing you an offer so that you'll be getting for this course. If you enroll it today, we'll be providing 699 SAR for you. And also, if you are referring your friends, we have referral offers as well. So be ready and contact this number so that we will be in touch with you, right? So here you can find out our course materials and the curriculum over here. And this is not just a course, right? So this is the guidance, right? So this is the 2 months course overview for you. Like, we will be creating graphic design, and we'll be creating our portfolio. We'll be guiding you how to create an account, how to sell your services or the digital products or even the courses, right? So if some people are different, like you may be interested in selling your services, some people may be interested in selling their digital products, some people might be interested in selling their courses. So we will target them. So if you are interested in, we will guide you the path, right? So I think if you have any questions, we can open to the open question and answer session. So then we can interact with each other.